So I purchased the PlayStation 5 Slim when it first came out. And ever since then, the things that have attracted me to the PlayStation 5 Slim have been its size, its price point, and it works exactly the same as a normal PlayStation 5, has a terabyte of memory, has everything you need with a PlayStation 5 in it, and it's in a smaller and more compact model than the base PlayStation 5. I do really like the PlayStation 5 Slim as the model to recommend to a lot of different people who are thinking about getting a PlayStation 5. The reason why is because the price point. Pre-owned, you get it for a very, very good deal, and even in the base price with the Fortnite bundle, for example, that's absolutely fantastic. To get a PlayStation 5 for that price, brand new, it's gonna work really well for you. And if you don't have a PlayStation 5, I think the PlayStation 5 Slim will be the model to service all your needs with the PlayStation. You'll be able to play all your favorite games on it. You might have to get extended storage, but overall, I think the PlayStation 5 Slim will do a lot of justice for a lot of people that just want a PlayStation 5 right now, that want to have the PlayStation 5 on a more budget friendly level, more than the PlayStation 5 Pro, obviously, because the PlayStation 5 Pro is very, very expensive, and the PlayStation 5 Slim like cuts half of that price away. So what you're getting is still like the exact same functions as a normal PlayStation 5, and if you don't have an 8K monitor, if you don't have all this advanced systems, then honestly the PlayStation 5 Slim will do well enough. You'll be able to play all your favorite games on it just fine with the normal PlayStation 5 Slim. The only upgrades I've done, honestly, is just cover the faceplates, just change the faceplates, make them midnight black because I really like the midnight black look. And overall, I did get the disc version. There is the digital version as well. That's the one that's even less expensive than the disc version. So if you just need a PlayStation 5 for a very, very good price, that is brand new, like 100%, like that PlayStation 5 Slim bundle, digital, man, like there's nothing that's going to beat that in the market at the moment for a PlayStation 5. Because the original PlayStation 5, they're not really selling it brand new anymore. So you've either got the PlayStation 5 Pro or the PlayStation 5 Slim. And a lot of people, I think, would just do well with the PlayStation 5 Slim. Not many people are noticing too many differences with the PS5 Pro and the PS5 Slim in terms of its performance in general. I guess the fan noise, that's the main thing, but apart from that, everything else has worked absolutely fine for me. And in terms of data, to get everything across from your PS4 or your previous PS5, for example, all your saved data is already there under your account. You just download the games and you are ready to go exactly from where you last were in your games. You don't have to worry about transferring your data over. It's pretty simple. These are really quick to set up. They take about 10 minutes. I've had no issues with the PS5 Slim so far. Honestly, it's just a really smaller, compact PlayStation 5. I actually like the look of once I replaced the faceplate. So there's no negatives whatsoever with the design of the PlayStation 5 Slim. I guess like the mid part, it does look a little bit different, but with the PS5 Pro, there's also the mid part. So overall, it's been pretty good. Purchased this right when it came out, and the things that really attracted me to getting the PS5, once again, the price point, the size of it. I feel like it's more compact and it'll fit in a lot of smaller places than the normal PlayStation 5 does. So it'll work really well for a lot of people. So you got the stands in the box, so you can be able to put it vertically or horizontal, whichever way you like. It's pretty lightweight too, and don't need to buy a stand for it. Overall, it's been quite good, robust, and it does everything you need. In terms of its ports, you got 2 Type-C ports at the front. That's the only problem I have with this system. So I've always said like I prefer to have that USB Type-A port at the front, but the accessories maybe are a little bit less with the newer accessories with the PS5 Pro. Like I love the Spider-Man bundle. I loved a lot of the older accessories, the Grey Camo collection, for example, with the original PS5. So it's something that was missing with this series that I wish they would bring back. but overall, it's not too much of a bother because these are just accessories, they're not necessities. I've had no issues in terms of just general gameplay, in terms of general performance with the PS5 Slim, zero issues whatsoever. In terms of just everything about it, I just recommend it to be the first PS5 for a lot of people to buy because of its price point. It's a really good deal at the moment. Genuinely, I think a lot of people should get the PS5 Slim. So if you guys are playing the PlayStation 5 Slim in 2025, please let me know and your thoughts and feelings with the actual console itself. I've personally just had no issues with it. I think it's a great deal. Let me know your thoughts and feelings. I'll see you guys next time.